All right. Is America's greatest fear finally coming true? America's biggest financial weapon, the US dollar, is now being directly challenged by the new gold-backed Chinese yuan. Our next report telling you more.
US President Donald Trump's tariff war on multiple fronts has hit American assets. The sell American assets trend has emerged after Trump's global trade war policies. This year is the first time the US Treasury's status as a global safe haven asset have taken a serious hit. Trump's policies have put the dollar's status as the global reserve currency at risk. What's the problem? US Treasury bonds are failing to retain their real value. Their purchasing power is deteriorating due to consistent inflation in the dollar. Trump and his administration have also favored a weaker dollar, which is adding to the problem. While Trump is waging a trade war, China's Xi Jinping is waging a silent currency war in response. Now, at the heart of this so-called transition away from the dollar in the global financial order is Saudi Arabia. Previously, Saudi Arabia used to sell oil in dollars and reinvest the money in US government bonds. But that deal, called the petrodollar agreement, has ended. On the other hand, China also earned dollars from its global exports and invested them in US Treasury bonds. But both countries face a similar problem of US Treasury bonds failing to retain their allure. So both seem to seek a solution, trading oil using gold instead of the US dollar. How does that help? In the past 100 years, oil prices haven't increased in gold terms. Gold has preserved its purchasing power. As moving gold physically is a challenge, China has floated a new gold-backed digital offshore yuan. The Chinese government will build it, and Saudi Arabia will manage the convertibility between gold and yuan. That is a clear threat to the dollar. With Trump scheduled to visit Saudi, whether he can persuade the kingdom to steer clear of China remains to be seen. Business Bureau, WION, World is One.